My name is Brandon Worthy. I'm here with Crystal, and we're going to show you guys how to make $5,000 in 30 days with Four Corners Alliance Group. So watch the video. We're going to break everything down. It's very simple, very easy. It's peak season. The holidays are coming up. People are traveling, and people need money. So stay tuned, watch our video breakdown, and we're going to show you how to make $5,000 in 30 days.
Alright, so what we're about to start explaining is how to achieve that $5,000 in 30 days. Now your first initial step is you want to start with yourself. You want to go out and get your 6 people. Now, Four Corners pays 5 different ways. Right now we're focusing on the first 2 sources of income, which is your instant commissions and your 100% matching bonuses. You want to go out and you want to recruit 6 people. You want to find 6 people that's going to run with you in this opportunity. Once you actually do that, you're going to make an instant commissions of $16. $16 instant commissions by simply recruiting 6 individuals. After you do that, you want to help your 6 do the same exact thing that you actually did. Once they actually recruit 6 people just like yourself, you're going to make $96 and 100% matching bonus. So once you actually add your $96 that you made by your recruits, as well as the instant commissions of $16 that you actually made yourself, you just made $112.
And this is just in your level 1, your first step, your first 6. How easy is it? Mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, grandma. That's it. It's simple. It's not going to get no easier than that. And we're about to show you level 2.
Alright guys. So now that we've actually showed you level 1, now your people have upgraded to level 2. So what actually happens is now your initial 6, after they got their 6, now their 6 is going to do the same exact thing that you and me did, and they're going to get 6 as well. Once they do that and upgrade to level 2, now you've made a payout of $64 for your people upgrading to the next level, which is level 2. Now, like we talked about, we get paid 5 different ways with Four Corners, and we're focusing on the first source and the second source right now in this video. So with the second source of income, you are going to receive, again, that 100% matching bonus. So once those 6 go get their 6, now you've made $384. So on level 2, in total, you made $384 plus your instant payout of that $64, which comes out to a total of $448 that you've actually just made on a one-time $18 investment. Alright guys, so now we're on level 3, and this is where the big money actually comes in. So now, once you got your 6 and they got their 6, now their 6 went out and got their 6. They have all upgraded to level 3. You get an upgrade payout of $640 that comes directly to you, which is your first source of income. And then you have your second source of income that we've been talking about, which is your 100% match commission, which you will get a payout of $3,840. So now you've made on level 3, once you take your $3,840, add your $640 that you got for your people upgraded to level 3, you've made $4,480.
All off a simple $18 investment, guys. The holidays are coming up. I mean, Thanksgiving coming up. People are traveling. You need that extra money. $5,000 in 30 days off our simple structure.